National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Spalding County in West Central Georgia, Southwestern Putnam County in Central Georgia, Butts County in Central Georgia, Jasper County in Central Georgia, Southeastern Newton County in North Central Georgia, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Jackson, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jackson, Monticello, Newborn, Flavilla, Mansfield, Jenkinsburg, Shady Dale, Stewart, Turtle Cove, Werfel, McKibben, Calvin, Farrar, Eudora, North Alcovy, McElhaney's Crossroads, Indian Springs State Park, Adgettville, and Stark. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 5 p.m. in Atlanta, it was